Ladies and gentlemen, my video guide is about removing the browser notifications coming from the site mooblycar.com. mooblycar.com. This is the website that may suddenly attack your Google Chrome and other browsers. The website tries to trick you into clicking on a special allow button, supposedly to help you continue your browsing. In reality, it is a mistake to click on Allow. If you do that, you will be forwarded to some other malicious sites of the similar nature. Plus, you will start getting a lot of advertisements and pop-ups in the right part of the screen. These ads are not decent because they try to forward you to many other questionable resources in the internet that may represent danger for your entire computer. So what to do if you have clicked on the allow button by mistake? The solution is pretty simple. Access the menu, go to settings, then security and privacy, site settings, go down to permissions and select notifications. Pay attention to the sites that are allowed to send notifications. You might see some of the websites that are not decent and they are causing such pop-ups on your screen. To remove these pop-ups and ads, click on this button and remove the malicious website from the list. You may also remove other junk sites from this list. And this is the manual solution to get your browser fixed. But I also recommend researching your computer with Combo Cleaner Antivirus. The best place to get it is on the page combocleaner.com. combocleaner.com. Use this green download button, install the program, and then begin researching your system to detect and remove all other threats that could possibly still remain on your computer. After you have successfully downloaded and installed Combo Cleaner Antivirus, it will be in the trial mode, so only the quick scan option is available. Click on Start Scan button. The program will first of all update its antivirus database for proper malware detection and elimination. You will notice that most likely the program will start identifying certain threats on your computer. While the scanning is taking place, you may experiment with some of the settings of Combo Cleaner Antivirus. For instance, there is a special feature called Anti-Ransomware, which is the part of the premium license. Anti-ransomware feature of Combo Cleaner helps you to add one or several folders on your system that will be protected against all sorts of ransomware attacks. Then, after the scanning has been completed, you'll see the detailed summary of threats that were found during the scanning. The summary will show you the name of the threat and its exact location on your computer. You'll be able to remove each threat manually by going to these locations, or you may consider upgrading to the premium license to remove these threats automatically.